Hi all, welcome to our YouTube channel. Hope you all are extremely fine. So in this video, we are going to talk about some hiring opportunities. So this video will be helpful for you. So do watch the complete video. But before proceeding further, if you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed this channel till now, make sure to subscribe. This channel will be very helpful for you for your placement preparation, for job updates. So do subscribe the channel because it will motivate me to put more such content for you, and do like this video. Also, guys, share the video among your friends as well who are eligible for these opportunities so that even they can know about these opportunities and they can apply for the same. So, without much ado, let's start with the sort of idea about these companies, like the role they are hiring for, application criteria, and like all sort of information stuff related to the companies. But before this, if you haven't joined our Telegram community, make sure to join. So let's start. So first opportunity, as you can see, this is a opportunity from Data Fortune. So they are hiring for the Data Fortune Software Solutions Private Limited is hiring for freshers. So here you can see this is a simple form that you have to fill. First of all, in this, you have to provide your full name, email address, your gender, date of birth, and your mobile number. And also make a note of that whatever information you are providing, that should be correct. Before submitting, make sure to recheck the form so that later on there is no such problem related to the information provided. Right. So are you currently in Pune city? And maybe they are providing the location in Pune. That's why they are asking you about that fact. Okay. And they're asking about your current address and all the information. So this opportunity is for, you can see, please enter your year of passing, BE degree. So this is opportunity for BE degree only. And also you should be from 21 and 22 batch, as if they have clearly specified. So this opportunity is for 21 and 22 batch only. What degree do you have? So BE, BTech, BTech is also eligible, as if they have provided here in the option. So BTech is also eligible. So BE, BTech in computer science, IT is eligible. Name of university, you have to write SSC percentage. You have to mention and all the required information. You can just simply go through it. Let's talk about the profile now. So they are basically hiring for job profile of. So please go through the below details of this job and select from below options. So they are hiring for the role of SQL developer. Experience is 0 to 1. Salary 6 months internship, it will be 10k stipend during the first 3 months and 20k stipend during the next 3 months. Post with the package will be 3.25 LPA. So this is going to be your package after the stipend, like this training etc is completed. Office timing will be 11:30 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. This role may have also have rotational night shifts. So job location they have provided Magar Patta City, Pune, currently work from home. The right candidate would have most of all the below, most or basically all the below. Good knowledge required on RDMS concept, extensive knowledge required on TSQL concepts like joins, juniors, merge, etc. Should be able to implement complex queries. Good knowledge required SQL procedures, functions, and triggers. Work knowledge on CTE, timetables, table variables. Good knowledge required on transaction handling in TSQL. Understanding query execution plan and tuning if it requires. Good knowledge required on indexes and table partitioning. PostgreSQL added a benefit, right? So go through the form, and if you find this job role exciting, then make sure to apply. This is a wonderful opportunity. Let's talk about our next opportunity now. So here's the opportunity, amazing opportunity, I should say, from Geeks for Geeks. So this is about True Geek Tournament. So what is this all about? Let's have a look. So this is a sort of course description given, that a week-long tournament to find out who is the true geek once and for all. So don't take it as a course, as if this is free of cost. So what you'll be doing in that particular course and what is going to make you a true geek is that this is sort of course overview given, that remember the old age, consistency is the key. So a 7-day marathon event that will consist of 3 challenges, that is article writing, daily pop-up quiz, and a DSC coding contest. So all you have to do is register and start brushing up on your writing skills and your programming knowledge, because you gonna need it at all, right? This tournament is a perfect opportunity for every geek out there to test their knowledge, refresh their skills, and learn something new every day for 7 days. And at the end of it all, one geek will walk away with amazing rewards and the title of the true geek. Now what you will learn: so how to answer questions in an intense environment with time limitations. Article can be fun to write, and the happiness you get knowing it helped a geek. Competition can be completed and won when you prepare well. If you haven't prepared well, you will know there for you always. So this is the course content given. This is an exciting opportunity, guys, just to make you consistent on the daily basis. For the 7 days, you'll be getting exciting things to do related to the article writing, related to the DSA pop-up quiz, and so many things are waiting for you. So make sure to apply for this. Make sure to register for this course, because this course is free of cost, right? Let's talk about our next opportunity, that is from Vimeo. So Vimeo is hiring for SRE intern India. So we are looking for motivated individual with strong communication and interpersonal skill to join our site reliability engineer team as an intern, right? That builds and runs a platform that delivers Vimeo products, services to all of its customers around the world. Understanding of Vimeo infrastructure and learning, talking up, debug, troubleshoot incidents involving any service, motivated with exceptional interpersonal skills who can learn a lot while making significant contribution. Willingness to learn new technologies, build tool services that can handle infrastructure at scale with stress on security, telemetry, and monitoring, cultivate strong relationships, communication, and collaborate with peers and across teams. Talking about the skills and qualifications of BTech, MTech in computer science or equivalent degrees. So this opportunity is basically for 21 and 22 batch. Good programming skills, excellent communication skills, familiarity with Linux distribution, good with algorithm, data structure, complexity analysis, and software design. So yeah, this is all about this job role. So if you're interested in this opportunity, this is a simple form that you have to fill. So make sure to provide the required information and then submit your application, and do subscribe this channel if you haven't subscribed till now. Right. Let's talk about our next opportunity. So here's our next opportunity, that is from American Express. So American Express is basically hiring intern, that is female intern. The opportunity is for 22, 23, and 24 batch. So on clicking there, you'll be landing upon that page. So I'll be providing the link of these opportunities on the description itself, so you can check it from there. So this opportunity is for women, the women best women coder and theme champion recognition at the national level. Opportunity to sharpen your edge by competing against the best of the league and win attractive prizes worth rupees more than IR 10 plus lakhs. E-certificate with all India rank for every participant. The opportunity to interact directly with top women leaders in technology. Test your mettle by competing against the best of the country, right? So this is an amazing opportunity, guys. Make sure to register. This opportunity is for 22, 23, and 24 batch. So guys, this is it for this video. Hope you have found this useful. Make sure to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe this channel if you haven't subscribed this channel till now. So make sure to subscribe the channel and be a part of our Telegram channel as well. Thank you so much for watching the video. Keep learning, keep preparing. Bye bye.